Hello, we're at Kampong Daun, that's like Leaf Village, and this is probably like one of the steepest mountains I've ever climbed because there's like really no footholds. You have to like actually get down on your hands and your knees to climb up the mountain. So the problem isn't with it being very steep, it's that it's very slippery. It's so muddy, I can't really get a purchase with my shoes. I have to use chi. How you feel? Good. Oh, okay, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So that was the lookout point, the highest peak of this mountain, and we are on our way to Waterfall Bronang right now, if I'm not mistaken. And the trail there is a lot milder. It's like just a slight, what do you call this? Decline? Just a slight like slope going downwards. It's been like close to 5 hours. Has it been 5 hours? 4 hours? 4.5 hours? And still no sign of the waterfall. I'm dying. Sometimes I really question myself, like, why do I do this to myself? Why? But the forest is getting denser here, so and damper too. So hopefully we're near. Hey, I don't know if that's the sound of the wind or the sound of the water, but I think we might be close. Okay, I'm gonna end this video by the waterfall eating a pangang because my phone is dying. And if you like videos like this, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to me, and like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Bye!